How to add multiple stops in Lyft. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add multiple stops between your pickup and destination in the Lyft app. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through with this video. Simply open up the Lyft app and make sure you're logged into the account. Once you're logged in, let this load up and make sure here you can see. Now it's currently unavailable in my location, but I'll just simply tap on try another location. Since I want to show you guys, I'll just show you how you can do it. First, you can see the start option there. You can select your start option. I'll just select a random location here. Now once there, you can see the destination as well. I'll just select another random destination here. And once you do it, in between your start and destination there, you can see the option here, plus icon there. You can see at the right hand side of the screen in between the start and destination at the right hand side. Simply tap on the plus icon there and you'll be able to add stop there. I can either add stop here. Now, unfortunately, you cannot add another stop. You can only add one stop in between your rides. There is no any option to add multiple stops in Lyft. Plus, what you need to remember is to keep it under 10 minutes to respect the time of your Lyft driver. Otherwise, you may be asked to get another ride or you may be asked to pay some extra. So this way you can add multiple stops in Lyft. If this helped you, do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.